When an element is rendered for the first time, it triggers the layout process. Every time a window changes in size, and every time any interdependent element changes in size, the layout process is firing up. As we've already mentioned, the layout process consists of two steps: measure and arrange. At the first step, UI elements are trying to determine how much space do they need in order to display content they contain. It's important to understand that most UI elements in WPF, as much as possible, strive to get the minimal size sufficient for displaying content without cropping it. As you've already seen, WPF layouts are represented by object trees. Because of that, the process of measurement is recursive. Each element asks its children, by calling the measure method on each child, how much space do they want to occupy. This process executes until reaching the end of the tree. Then child elements one by one return their desired sizes. Desired size is the name of the property which has to be calculated by elements during the step of measurement. Parents aggregate the desired sizes of their children and calculate their own final sizes. The second step is the arrange step. At this step, elements recursively call on their children the arrange method, passing the size allocated for each child and the position from which the child can arrange itself. The final size allocated for the element can be less than the desired size, calculated by the element at the previous step, because sometimes there is just not enough space. This is a normal behavior. After two steps, rendering occurs. Let's look at the layout process in practice.